Hello students, welcome to video class. It's biology for class 7. In last online class, I explained nutrition in some lower group of animals. Say nutrition in unicellular animals, amoeba and paramecium. Nutrition in simple multicellular animal, hydra. In this video, I will discuss about the stomach of herbivores. Stomach of herbivorous animals or ruminants. Herbivorous animals, herbivorous cattle, okay, cow, horse, buffalo, etc., are called ruminants. Ruminants are cud chewing animals. Well, why they are so called? What is rumination? Rumination or mastication is the process in which cattle like cow, buffalo chew half digested food, brought back half digested food into mouth cavity from their stomach and chew the food again. Right? This they do while resting. Right? Herbivorous animals like cow, buffalo, etc., when sit for rest, brought back the half digested food, semi digested food into mouth cavity from stomach. This happened by reverse peristalsis and again chew the half digested food, chew the food properly. This is called rumination or mastication. Mastication or rumination is the process of chewing semi-digested food which herbivorous animals brought into mouth cavity from reticulum, right, from their stomach. The animals which chew cud, right, or do rumination or mastication called ruminants or cud chewing animals. Okay? Why this happen? Actually, these animals they have very large stomach and they consume large amount of food, large amount of grass and plant parts. Right? So while grazing, they don't chew food properly and swallow. Right? The food is digested in the stomach. When it is digested, half. In the half digested state, food is brought back into mouth cavity again, brought back into mouth cavity and chewed well again. This process is called rumination or cud chewing. Now we will talk about the stomach of herbivores, stomach of ruminants. Ruminants or herbivorous animals have very large stomach consisting of 4 chambers. The first chamber is rumen, it is the largest chamber. Next is reticulum, rumen opens into reticulum. The third chamber is oomatium and the last or fourth chamber is abomasum. Right? Abomasum opens into a small intestine. Leads to a small intestine. The first chamber is rumen, it is the largest chamber. Okay? In rumen, food is digested, the cellulose part of food. So the main component of food of herbivores is cellulose, a complex carbohydrate. In rumen and reticulum, cellulose is digested. Digestion of cellulose takes place with the help of a bacteria, right? Okay, that bacteria is not present in our intestine. That's why cellulose is not digested in our digestive system. Okay, bacteria E. coli, right, play role here in digestion of cellulose. Well, A cellulose digesting bacteria helps in digestion of cellulose. Cellulose is digested in these two chambers. After the food after being digested in rumen and reticulum changes into semi-digested pup-like form called cud. The half-digested form of food, right, which resembles to paper pup, right, semi-solid substance is called cud. The cud is brought back from reticulum by these animals when they sit to rest and chewed again. This process called rumination or cud chewing, and the animals are called cud chewing. After rumination, the food is swallowed again and passing through the first two chambers enters into omation. Omesum is the smallest chamber, right? Here food is digested with the help of digestive enzyme. Next the food passes to the last chamber, fourth chamber, abomation. Abomation is true stomach of herbivores. In abomation, digestive juices are produced by digestive glands, which involve in digestion of various components of food. In rumen and reticulum, cellulose only digested. Other components are digested. The process of digestion completes here in abomation, and next the food passes to a small intestine. In a small intestine, absorption of digested food takes place. In this way, digestion takes place in cud chewing animals, means herbivores, right? Herbivores have large stomach having 4 chambers: rumen, reticulum, omesum and abomesum, of which rumen is the largest chamber and omesum is the smallest, right? In these animals, digestion of cellulose takes place with the help of bacteria present in rumen and reticulum. Well, that's all. More I will discuss in next video. That's all.